Hello, if you're doing a belt on a 2.0 JTS engine from Alfa and you have this set, make sure you use it. This one wasn't so lucky, but lucky enough to not damage the engine. The balance shaft belt snapped and was just there in the cover, in the belt cover. So he was lucky it didn't reach the cam belt. Now I'm here. I locked the camshafts with both of the tools. This is the 1, 2, second, and this is 1, 2, 3, fourth. Make sure the lobes point up. This one points slightly to the right. This one points slightly to the left. This is cylinder 2, this is cylinder 3. Make sure you use the clock to ensure piston number 1 is in top dead center. If you're not sure, just when the belt is off, put a 90mm spanner on there and rotate it slightly until it's reached the maximum here. And this is the maximum for my piston. So, slacken these nuts, this one, so you can move it like that. Slacken these 4, so you can move it like this. Fully turn them clockwise, so, like so. If you've done that, you're ready to install the belt. First, crankshaft, this pulley, exhaust pulley, inlet pulley, water pump, tensioner, and crankshaft again. So when you're going to replace the timing belt, I suggest you take off this entire pulley, this one as well, and replace the camshaft position sensor. It's fitted right there. Okay, as you see, I've removed these locks. I turned twice until it's on the maximum top dead center again. That's all good, and I've checked the tension, which is over there. It's good. If it's too tight or too loose, tighten it. I used a tool with the screwdriver, otherwise it didn't get enough tension. And you can install the auxiliary belt. So when you're at top dead center, just it's very easy. There's a little notch. I don't know if you can see it on the pulley here. That align it with the white stripe on the belt. Also for the other side is exactly the same. If you can see it, there's the notch and the white stripe, and the crankshaft pulley also has one. I'll show you. Right there, if you see, white line aligned with the notch, and then you can tension the tensioner for the balance shaft belt. To tension the balance shaft belt, you have the tool in the kit. It's hard to see, focus, yes. You place it in here. There's a little notch, okay, and put it on and rotate it clockwise with a 22mm spanner, just until this is almost in the middle of between these two, that one. And while you hold it, you use a 10mm in the back right there to tighten the tensioner. You're good to go.